These newly harvested roses can be made into Turkish fudge with a history of 100 years. The fudge expert Bublik poured 2 kilograms of rose petals and 3 kilograms of sugar into the container, and then kept stirring with his hands. When the sugar absorbs the rose oil in the rose, the petals will turn brown. In order to mix the sugar and rose oil evenly, Cooper will immediately put the rose mixture into a sealed container and store it for about 3 months. Now he pours the cornstarch into a blender containing water, and then adds 50 kilograms of sugar to increase the sweetness. These raw materials will become viscous by heating. However, heating will make the sugar dissolve in hot water quickly, while cooling will make it solidify together, so workers will add an appropriate proportion of citric acid into it, which can turn the sugar molecule into smaller glucose and fructose molecules, so as to avoid the crystallization of the mixture. Then the worker ignited the heating device under the mixer to raise its temperature to 105 degrees Celsius. After 3 hours of cooking, the viscosity will be just right, but the taste is very flat. Therefore, the worker will add roses to the mixture after it thickens. After the spice is stirred again for 4.5 hours, the flat mixture slowly begins to have rose fragrance, and the worker on the other side sprinkles cornstarch on the tray. Starch can prevent the mixture from sticking together, and then pour the mixed mixture onto 5 metal trays respectively. In order to prevent the mixture from cooling and hardening, the workers need to roll out all the trays within 3 minutes. Once rolled out, the staff Osman will move them to the cutting type. The soft candy needs to be slightly hard to cut before it will not stick to the machine, so it must be at room temperature. Then it is covered with a thick layer of cornstarch, which can prevent the adhesion of soft candy. On the blade of the automatic cutting machine, each plate of mixed liquid can be cut into 650 pieces of soft candy, which can be completed in only 2 minutes. With a barrel of cornstarch, this factory can make more than 300 boxes of soft candy every hour. Finally, these prepared soft candy will be distributed to thousands of dealers in Turkey for sale.